For learning new rule, we should solve this question. In the given pair of equation below a and b are constants, the graph of this pair of equations in the xy plane is a pair of perpendicular lines. Okay, these equations below, they are perpendicular lines. Okay, the rule, if the line is given in this form, then the multiplication of coefficients, corresponding coefficients before x and corresponding coefficients before y should be equal to, the multiplication and sum should be 0. I mean 7a plus 11b is 0. Okay, and if the new rule is if two lines are parallel, then the coefficients, for example, in our case given line equation in this form b2y c2, then a1 b2 minus a2 b1 should be equal to 0 if, and this formula is works for parallel lines. Okay, let's check the fourth. If we check the first one, we took 7b minus a minus 11. It should be 0, but 7b plus 11a, it is not 0 because only 0 is 7a plus 11b. So these lines are not parallel. What about b? It means if I multiply them, 7 minus 21b plus again minus should be minus 66a, it is not 0. You can check yourself because it's not equal to this one. And what about c? 33b minus 3a negative 7. So 33b plus 21a, it is, if I here's 3 move out, 7b plus, sorry, it's 11b, here's 11b, 7a. I know from the perpendicular lines the connection between a and b, 7a plus 11b is 0. So it's also 0. So I can tell the option C is parallel lines. So the new rule is for this here, it is for parallel lines.